What's the name?
There's a sign up there.
Oh, okay. All right.
Water's there.
Then he's got a little shoot
Yeah, water's there.
Oh, well, that's where Richard Frank somewhere. Okay, water. Oh, yeah.
That's funny. I just did I just shot a wedding last 2 weekends ago.
Check out that big rock.
You know, to do pictures just like this. And I have never seen so many weddings here at once.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Check out that big rock over there.
There was at any given time
wow.
at least 5 weddings.
Really? Wow.
A wedding party would leave and another would roll in. It was the weirdest thing.
Well, it was that time of year.
Yeah.
It was a lot of weddings.
But I've never seen any here.
Yeah, okay.
Harry Buster out. My dad used to work for him.
We can check it out. Last time we went down there, there's a lot of junk and stuff down there. And then we'll see if they cleaned it up a little bit.
Look at all the ducks.
Danny, look, we should have brought some bread. Gosh darn it, Denise, I should have brought some bread. Oh, Danny, we should have brought some bread.
Oh, I just got like a real close shot of the seagull. Look at all of them over there.
This is beautiful.
Look at the waterfalls over there. It's like a dam. Look at this. Like, this is. I just want to jump in there right now.
We should have brought some bread. I never thought of it.
Well, that's because we didn't know that. This thing looks pretty deep looking at. It flows pretty fast. Looking how fast some of the stuff is going. I just got like a real close-up shot of a seagull that was sitting right there. Look, there's one down there. It's like a waterfall right there and right there. This is a cool little area. I would go over there, but I don't want to get separated from the group. Plenty of foie gras in store. Wait, that's illegal in Chicago.
Let's see if I just go to
Ah, does that look good?
This is a real nice place, but I mean it's polluted with Newport cigarette boxes. Look at the little small one next to its mother.
This one's pretty young too.
Honey, did you bring your cell phone?
I didn't bring my phone, but I brought this. There's a bunch of pennies on this ledge. Okay, here are some of the bigger geese. The boat that just went by was a bit bigger than that one.
Oh my God, is that neat? Oh,
Yeah, but the boat that went by like a minute ago was kind of bigger than that though.
look at that.
Got all like these gorgeous right here. All the geese just residing underneath the willow tree.
I just wish I would have thought of bringing bread to the
Seagulls over here. Hang on. Wait till it gets focused. I can't really see it that well. This little guy. Guess this place is like ruled by seagulls. These are like all the smaller ducks. Hello. And as you can see, there are seagulls sitting over there. Let's just stand here for a couple. Actually go in a bit closer from here. Just one lone duck down there, and alright, now this is a pretty better view of the waterfalls, I would think. Yeah, I'm real close to him now. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Beautiful.
Just like all these willows.
Yeah, there's the golf course where Mrs. grandson works.
See, like all the willows in the background?
Yeah.
I think I could go just a little bit closer than this. I have a feeling this is probably the closest I'm gonna get. Ooh, a butterfly. Put the camera on this thing. Use it as a tripod. Look, we're on top of this right here. If you can't.
Be careful.
I know, I'm just saying.
This can take you, boy.
This right here is the waterfall for those of you that cannot see. Look at that feather. Go, and it's over the edge. I see some white thing underneath the,
I know, I saw that there. I don't know what it was. I thought it was a rocket first.
It's still there. It's like some giant white thing. I can't tell what it is, though. Looks almost like a... I don't know, I can't tell. I wonder how far out that this inlet goes, because I see it. Go.
Yeah.
Let's go walk underneath this willow. Oh, you did? That's cool.
Yeah.
Alright, well, here I am under the tree. This is awesome. You're probably wondering where we're at, though. More ducks. This is just so cool being... I've never been here before. Oh, now this is awesome looking right here. That looks awesome right there. This is an awesome...
Yeah. Okay, good.
Hearing a lot of weird noises coming from inside those bushes. Never been here before. It's about 45 minutes away from my house. Well, congrats to my mom and my new stepdad. You almost stepped in crap. Probably walked about a mile down this long. You know, it's good exercise. This is a great place to go kayaking, riding bikes, jogging. This is be an awesome place. Okay, now I've come to some building. Okay, now where am I at? Well, it's nice to be in some shade. Except, where am I now? I don't know where I am. I don't know what this building is. This is really cool. Well, something, I think... I don't know what this is for. Henry Bus Ural. It's a pretty good view of everything.
Yeah.
There's over the edge. Let's hope I don't drop my camera in there.
729. She's got to pick an option. She's got to pick one, and I think she's finally agreeing to that.
Oh, okay.
Exactly.
Well, this place is open till 10 at night.
Yep.
Well, they have lights, right?
Yeah.
There are like lights up here.
Yeah. I was wondering. I just saw this.
It's a cool little